Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to bypass Windows 11 24H2 update, waiting to line to get it now. So Windows 11 24H2 update is rolling out gradually since its release on October 1, 2024. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. So dito lang sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung gpedit.msc and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And ito yung tinatawag na local group policy editor. And then ang next step, so dito lang sa computer configurations ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung administrative templates. So double click ulit. And dito sa administrative templates and then select mo lang dito yung Windows component. So double click ulit. And dito sa Windows component and next step ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung Windows update. So dito ay kailangan mo ulit mag double click. And next step, so dito sa Windows update, select mo lang dito yung manage updates offered from Windows Update. Alright, so click mo lang yan. And dito lang sa right side, makikita mo dito yung kanyang settings. And then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung select the target features update versions. So click mo lang yan. And then kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And pop up itong kanyang select target features update versions settings. And next step, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung enabled. And then dito lang sa baba ay click mo lang dito yung apply. And then click mo lang dito yung okay. And then next step, so dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang tong restart. Ayan, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to bypass Windows 11 24H2 update, waiting to line to get it now. Alright, so, and please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.